Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can make a line chart in Google Sheets. Let me just zoom in a little bit for you guys. So I just created this table, this random table. I'm just going to select all of it like so, and then I'm going to select insert and then insert chart. As you can see, it opened up a pie chart instead, but here you can just change the chart type to lined. You can customize the chart and access title, the theme, like the font of the, like the title, I guess, the font size too, and the color you can change that too. Oh, can barely see that. You can also format the line color, like change the line color, the opacity, the dash type, the line thickness, you can also adjust that. Point size, none. I don't really have a point here. Maybe let's try adding a star. Like so. Looks kind of weird, to be honest. Well, actually looks kind of cute when you do it like this. It's pretty cute. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!